Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account. So first of all, you click on the TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see you are provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, which is for creation and posting of videos on TikTok, the inbox icon, and lastly, your profile icon. Here you click on your profile icon, and at the top right, you click on the 3-dashed icon. After that, you click on settings and privacy. Here you click on account, which is your first option under the account section, and then you click on deactivate or delete your account, which is at the last icon here option. So here you can either click deactivate your account or delete account permanently. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.